Hi guys, and we are back to unboxing edition.
Bagong microwave, Buksan na natin yan. Nood lang tayo, guys. Dito lang kami, dyan lang kayo. Inggit, pikit.
And because we are American style, we take out all the plastic.
Sorry, guys. Ayaw namin sa plastic.
Did you know?
Microwaves are high-frequency electromagnetic waves, so the energy released enables food to be cooked or reheated without changing either the form or the color. So you can use your microwave oven to defrost, reheat, and cook. It has a quick guide on top and the control panels on the right side. You may press the start plus 30 button to set a time to 4 to 5 minutes. And the stop button on the lower side. Always check your cooking settings before leaving the oven unattended. The time can be displayed in either the 24 hours or 12 hours notation.
Tara, let's tingin na natin. Ayos. Sarap pala kumain ng corned beef ng Amerika. Salamat sa panonood.